Hi friends, today we're at 117 Northern Star in Lorena, Texas. This home's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It sits on a half an acre. Stick around to the end. It has a shop you're not going to want to miss. Let's take a look. Come on in. We have a great front porch out there, but as we walk in, we enter into this large open living space. It's got a beautiful rock fireplace, gorgeous mantle, fresh paint in this space. Opens up into the kitchen. Got granite countertops, gorgeous backsplash stainless steel appliances, big dining space. Got a little coffee bar cabinet situation over here. And back behind the dining space, there's a large pantry, beautiful command center, great place for bills, your computer, purse drop, whatever you need back there. We'll head back through the kitchen to the entry and check out the secondary bedrooms off this side of the house. Back here, we have our first secondary bedroom. Ceiling fan, fresh paint, great size closet. Between these 2 bedrooms, we have the full guest bathroom, tile on the floor, tub shower combo, hall closet, and another secondary bedroom. Tall ceilings in here, good size closet, fresh paint. We'll head to the other side of the house, check out the primary. Off the dining space, we have the large laundry room, tons of shelves in here, hanging space, room for a refrigerator if you needed one, and access to the garage. And then we'll head into the primary suite. We do have these vaulted ceilings in here, ceiling fan, again, fresh paint, carpet in these bedrooms. Head into the primary bathroom. Huge primary bathroom. Single sink, but we've got a vanity knee space in here and an old school medicine cabinet. So cool. We have his and hers closets, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. Now, let's check out the backyard. So excited about this backyard. Walk out, we have this covered patio here, an additional sunshade, and tons of concrete patio space out here. This is on a half an acre, so we've got a gigantic backyard. Room for a playset, trampoline, pool, whatever you want. There's some garden beds in the back. And then this incredible shop with this huge lean-to making another patio out front. The shop is insulated. It does have electricity, lighting, perfect for whatever activities you have in mind. If you want a closer look and you have any questions, just let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, review. We'll see you on the next one.